Everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna solve the problem of can't reach this page, look too long to respond. So for that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First thing you need to do is you have to go to the search bar and you have to search for view network connection. Open it. After that it will show you all the network connections, so you have to select the particular network connection with which you are connected with. So right now I'm using the Wi-Fi, so the right click on it and tap on the properties. So if you are connected on VPN or you may connect it on Ethernet, you have to do with that particular network. After that you can see there is internet protocol version. You have to double click on it. Now you can see there is this type of windows popped up. Just select, use the following DNS, then type 111, one for the first one, then 1, then 1, then 1. Then secondly you are gonna use 1 0 0 1. After that you have to select OK. So after selecting OK, you have to do another thing. You have to go to the search bar and you have to search for CMD, then tap on run as administrator, ipconfig, then space slash flash DNS. Just enter it. You can see you have to write another thing, which is net sh space win shock space reset. Just enter it. So that's how you can easily solve the problem. You can check your browser again and hopefully there will be no problem. Still, if you are having any problem, you can comment down below. Right now you can see that the access is denied because I do not have that problem. So basically that's why it's access denied. But if you have problem, there will be a solution. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.